The notion of affective design emerged from the field of human-computer interaction (HCI), and more specifically from the developing area of affective computing. Affective design involves designing interfaces to enable human-computer interactions where emotional information is communicated by the user in a natural and comfortable way. The computer processes the emotional information and may adapt or respond to try to improve the interaction in some way. Affective computing aims to deliver effective interfaces capable of eliciting certain emotional experiences from users. Similarly, affective design attempts to define the subjective emotional relationships between consumers and products and to explore the affective properties that products intend to communicate through their physical attributes. It aims to deliver artifacts capable of eliciting maximum physio-psychological pleasure consumers may obtain through all of their senses.